Understanding your parental rights in special education. We are here to collaborate and support parents to provide the best educational opportunities possible for their students. Parents are their children's primary educator and provider and have the right to be informed and participate in the decision-making team and decision-making process regarding the needs of their students. Parents are the educational decision makers and are defined as natural and biological who are perceived to be decision makers, adoptive or legal guardians appointed by the court, or acting parents such as family members, educational advocates, and foster parents. Individuals with Disabilities Education Act includes safeguard procedures that are designed to help schools and parents work together to develop effective educational programs for students with disabilities. It ensures parents' rights to participate, receive comprehensive notifications, give and revoke consent, and dispute disagreement actions. Rights to participate ensure decisions are individualized to meet the unique needs of the students and develop a closer, more collaborative relationship with parents that includes eligibility, initial evaluation and reevaluation, IEP planning meetings. Reasonable efforts must be made to ensure parental participation. Prior written notice of certain special education actions should be made understandable for the parents, which includes language translations and even audio recording or sign language interpretation. These should be sent to parents regarding evaluation or denial of requests, implementation of SPED services and placements, as well as formal meetings. Consent must be informed consent and written. It is voluntary and can be revoked. Activities requiring consent include initiating provision of service, changes to service, dismissal from IEP meetings, invitations of agencies to IEP meetings, and use of Medicaid or private insurance. Disputes can be handled both formally and informally. Informally, parents can consult staff, teachers, administrators, and members of their student's IEP team. Formally, disputes can be handled through mediation agreed upon by both parties, formal complaints, and due process hearing. Kansas State Department of Education process begins with a referral, which can be accepted or denied. Upon acceptance, parental rights are provided along with prior notification and request of consent. After obtaining consent, schools have 60 days to evaluate to students and provide an IEP development. Need more information? We are here to help. A lot of resources can be found on the Parent Guide to Special Education, Kansas Special Education Handbook on ksde.org, or Student Support Service Directory with the Wichita Public Schools website.